All right, so the next part we are going to be taking a look at is the WordPress reading section. So the WordPress reading section is actually the part that talks more about the readability of your WordPress website. So in order to discuss more about how it works and what it looks like, so let's go there to where the section is. So if you want to move to the reading section, you have to come down to the settings, then you come down to reading. So you can find the settings at the bottom left corner, then you click on reading. So when you click on reading, you are going to find the reading settings for your WordPress website. So the first section here is your home page displays. So basically, when you visit the WordPress website, so let's say I click on the link to my website, so you're going to be seeing there. So currently now it is set to your latest post, and what this means is that if people should visit your website, so what they are going to see is your latest post. So what they are going to see is your latest post. For instance, I have this early word as currently my latest post on the WordPress laboratory website. So if I should publish a new post, I'm also going to have them here in chronological order. So but what if I want people, whenever they visit the homepage of my website, I want them to see something else? So all I have to do is you click on here, you click on a static page, then you can select your home page to be something else. So you can select home. So when you click on when you make selection from here, so you can select home. So and when you save this, so when you save this, so when you visit your website, whenever someone visits your website, so they're going to see something entirely different. So this is something actually entirely different. So this is a kind of a customized page. So this section is best for people that want to design a website. So there is another course for learning how to design a website from scratch using WordPress. So you can use this static page. All you have to do is you go to pages, create a new page, design the page, and when you are done designing the page, then you click on home page displays, and you click on this a static page. So when you click on static page, then you select the page that you have actually designed. So this is actually best for creating landing pages and for creating beautiful design. So this is all about homepage. So homepage is actually the first page that your website will land, your visitor will land on. And for here we have our blog pages shows. So blog pages shows that whenever a user should visit your blog pages, so it's going to show at most 10 posts. So if you have 20 posts, the blog pages is going to show 10 pages, then there is going to be a link to a next page where people can see the rest of the 10 posts. But should in case I write just 5 and I save it, so this simply means that if I should have 20 posts, the visitor is going to be shown 5 posts, then they can click on next page to view another 5 posts, next page to click on another first page, 5 posts, and the like. So this is how the blog pages work. So you can decide to set it as 10, you can decide to set it as 20, any number that you like your blog pages to show. So the next one is for each post. So if you want to show your post, let's say you want people to view when they visit the blog pages, you want them to see the full article. So all you have to do is click on full text. But when you click on excerpt, so this simply means that they are going to see just a kind of a brief of the they're going to see the article title, and they are going to see a brief of the article title. So let me see if I can show you a practical example. So when I click on these, okay, let me select your latest post. So we are going to try something right now. So all you have to do is, first I'm going to show you how full text and excerpt works. So for instance, currently now we have it shown as full text. So if I should visit the home page, so you can see that so when you have your post feed set as full text, so basically what you are going to see is the whole article here. Actually your theme, the whole article here will be shown in full, but like they mentioned here, your theme determines how content is displayed in browser. So there are some things that once you click on full text, so when you visit your website, this is the title of the article, and this is the body of the article. So the body of your article will be shown in full, and when you click on accept, there is going to show a brief of the article, and you can now click on continue reading to read the full article. So that's the difference between full text and excerpt. So we also have the search engine visibility. So on the WordPress dashboard, you can discourage search engines from indexing your website. So this is if you want your website to actually be personal or private, so you can discourage search engine from the indexing the site. But can you note that even if you click this box, so it is still up to search engines to decide whether they want to index your site or not. So that's all about that, about what you really need to know about the reading section of the WordPress website.